Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another market outlook this week. My name is Stanislav Bernikov and I'm a senior trading specialist at Exness. In this video, I will share with you a potential idea for this week. But before tuning into this week's idea, let's check the performance of the previous week's idea. It was a potential long position for gold if it would have tested the 1905 level with a potential target of 1930. The direction was correct, however the trade was not triggered as price rallied immediately towards 1940 and above. So this idea was generally correct, but the execution was not triggered here. For this week, we are looking at American crude oil, which has gained a substantial momentum so far. The price is building a short-term trading range, and should the upper ceiling of this range be broken soon, it might continue the rally towards the level of 88 and higher. 86 is a potential entry point for this opportunity. What is the foundation of this idea? OPEC Plus cut had tightened the market, and probably market is moving towards a deficit. Brent's prom spread, a gap between its two nearest contracts, is worth 75 cents per barrel, which is an intermediate bullish signal. From a commitment of traders perspective, we also see that we had a peak for commercial traders net position in July, which was basically an intermediate term buying signal too. This signal is still in place. Crude oil is known for its huge amount of long-term players which build positions for years. For example, according to CME Group's daily bulletin, we see that the huge amount of open interest is built around the contracts with expiration in 2024. That means that long-term money is in the game and are building a business for a long-term perspective. What might affect this idea? First of all is petroleum status report on Wednesday, and of course consumer price index publication for the United States on Wednesday. Inflation has a direct impact with the commodity markets and with crude oil in particular. So if this report would be tight enough, crude oil might get the good support. In summary then, we are looking forward to the breakout trade for the crude oil contract, which is known as US oil in our CFD platform. Fundamentally, and from a supply and demand perspective, crude oil is strong and may continue moving up. The publication of inflation and petroleum status report on Wednesday may boost volatility for crude oil, so be careful when making a trade. Don't forget, this is just the idea, do your own research and never forget to manage risk.